Hey everybody, it's Angela at the Button Farm, and it's been a long time since I've seen a lot of you, and we're going to try to do a little bit more videos of the projects that we're making and for the club, and also some other breakouts that we're doing with the Faith album and page kits. So here I am. This is my first video I've ever done, and my phone is actually propped up against a lamp over there, so I'm going to try to get a little bit more professional eventually, but we just wanted to show you this month's Button Farm kit. So this is it is April already. It's hard to believe that it's April. I don't know where the winter went, but the weather is getting better up here in Maine, and I think that you're really gonna have a lot of fun with this month's project. I had a blast working with it, and this month we used the Echo Park paper collection, and it is called Spring Market, and oh, it's so much fun. And I know there's a little bit of a glare here, but you can see that the images, they're kind of a watercolor, some watercolor art, and we use 2 sets of chipboards. We have a set of stickers. We also have the big paper collection that goes with it. And this album that we are doing was from Prima marketing, and it's a magnetic dossier. So I've never really seen anything quite this awesome before. I really love this book. So what it does is there's a little bit of a magnetic closure. It looks like a box, but then you open it up, and it has these panels. So you can put some pictures over here and over here, and then it has all of these flip-up pages. And I just think it was so much fun to do. I really enjoyed working with the papers. I'm gonna just kind of flip through all of these, so you can see that you can put a lot of pictures and journaling into this little album. Get down to the bottom. Isn't that cool how it's like an accordion, like a waterfall accordion album? So this is our April kit here. Look at how many pages. There's just tons and tons of room to put all those pictures. You know, and really the subject is up to you with this. It's pretty versatile. I actually took a lot of pictures at Easter this year, so I'm gonna probably use this album for my Easter pictures, but it'd be great for just everyday favorite pictures. So yeah, and then it has a little bit of a magnetic closure. Let me just lay it down just like that. So anyway, I hope that you enjoy creating this project as much as I did. And of course, I'm very thankful and grateful for each and every one of you, our customers, and the ones of you that have hung around for so many years with us. And I will promise next month my video quality will hopefully be a little bit better. But it's always so good to see you guys. Thank you again for being our customers, and I hope that you enjoy our April kit. And I will see you in May. So have a great day, everybody.